Hello, my favorites. It's Vu here, and if it's your first, second, or third time watching, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and most importantly, hit the bell. Today we are doing a wig review. I've seen this wig everywhere, and as a person with a WIDOWSPEAK myself, I've been wanting to get my hands on it. This is none other than the Outre HD Lace Synthetic Wig Peak 705 from the Perfect Hairline Collection. This is the wig right outside of the box. It's giving wavy, and you know they never say how long these things are. But if I had to guess, I'd say 28 inches. The lace is 13 by 6, pre-shaped, pre-plucked. I don't know about pre-bleached. It comes with 2 combs in the front, a pre-attached elastic band that you can adjust to the size of your head, the adjustable straps in the back, and also a comb in the back. The wig retails between $46 to $67 depending on the color you choose. I got it in the color 1B. My goal today is to see if the wig is beginner friendly with minimum manipulation. So I'm trying it on with a brown wig cap without doing anything to the lace. The size of the wig looks pretty big. It fits perfectly, though I wouldn't say it has a lot of density. It's 2025 and the synthetic wig makers are not playing around. Imagine if wearing 𝐭𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐤𝐬 wigs came like this. Yeah. And one thing about it, I will never be above a synthetic wig. They come in the mail fast. There's no chemical smell. It's easier to plug because you're not afraid to make a hole. No such thing as curls dropping. You don't have to commit to the hairstyle for long or sacrifice your gym hair, which is what I have up under this wig. So it's affordable, manageable, convenient, and low risk. As a preference, I always get rid of the front combs and the back combs to avoid tension on my hair, which is why I love that this wig has a headband. So now I'm going to be using the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation and Lace Tint Mousse from Dola Hair in the color dark brown to tint my lace. Everything I use will be in the description box. I will also be using the Dola Hair Lace Glue and the melting spray. I always use a lip applicator to apply wig glue to my hairline to keep everything clean. My forehead has no makeup, by the way. I have a very unique M hairline, so I'm applying the glue where there's skin, not hair, because we will brush those out from under the lace later to kind of match my hairline more. Now I'm putting on the wig to make sure it aligns with my hairline because I don't like to hide my forehead. Guys, I am low-key so impressed with the amount of space I have on the lace. This wig falls perfectly on my hairline, and it fell in a way where I could leave my sideburns out, which is what I wanted. This can be a little intimidating, but all you have to do is cut the little piece of lace behind the ear, which is what I'm doing here, and look how perfect this looks. Like, it looks like it's already blended, even though I haven't done anything. But again, if you're scared of this process, you can switch from scissors to a razor because it allows you more control and you won't get rid of more hair than you want to. Okay, now the wig is officially on. This is me playing around to see if I want a middle part or a side part. But as you can see, you know, it's cute. Like, it's giving. Look at the plucking on this one. Yeah. Now I'm gonna apply some foam and some got2b spray so that I can see what it's actually going to look like. Brush the hair with a comb so that you're seeing how it lays and everything. So this is what it would look like if it was a side part, except around this time I was realizing I may not have time to do a side part, so I might have to just do a middle. So this is how I'm brushing it in order to prepare to do a middle part. Now I'm gonna go in with my razor to cut the lace in a very irregular way so that it doesn't look fake when I blend it in with my actual hair. Now I'm going into those areas where I didn't apply any glue and I'm brushing my actual hair out from under the lace so that I can prepare to blend that. So the last couple of steps is to apply my lace melt onto my lace and put on my headband and leaving that on for about 5 minutes. I was getting ready for my grandma's birthday party and I really didn't have that much time to let it melt. Again, we're going for minimal manipulation, and so 5 minutes with the headbands is all I can do. This is what everything ended up looking like once I took the headbands off. Let's rate this hair, shall we? Personally, I'm a fan. I'm a fan of the curling style and how it looks a little yucky. It's given 26 to 28 inches depending on your height. It's really giving like Secret Lives of Mormon Wives. I love the hairline. The purpose of this video was to see if this wig was beginner friendly and if it could be installed with minimal effort, minimal time, minimal everything. And I think we can all agree, yes. Everything they said about this wig was accurate to me. Now for some cons, because of the length, you will need to keep that brush on you. And you definitely need to properly layer this wig and flat comb the top so it's nice and flat to fully make it look flawless. Overall, I would give it an 8 out of 10. I would recommend. But yeah, it's giving. Mwah. Bye y'all.